Hi and welcome back, my name is Emelie. In this video I will be creating a card just to raise awareness about breast cancer, and I know I'm a month late, it's not October anymore, but I wanted to share this project anyway because I liked how it turned out and I think you will find the card idea interesting. So, by the way, sorry about my voice, I have been really sick for the last week. So I am putting off making this voiceover as long as I could, but I wanted to get this video up no later than it already is. So here we are creating this voiceover. So you can see on screen here, I just cut a lot of pieces and I'm just gluing them together. I had a new, from Trinity had this mini release that you probably know. And they had all of these fabulous dies in it. It was mainly dies, and one of them is the layered support ribbon that I am putting together here right now. It was also the Hope Simply Sentimental. It's the die and the coordinating sentiment sets. I will use them both in this video, and I will also use a pack of embellishments. So you can see how easy this comes together, and yeah, I just cut them out of different shades of cardstock, and I also, some of the parts I colored in, and I colored them like in a second ago here on screen, so they will tone down as the video goes. And here is a white piece of paper that I used the checkered background add-on stars to, and I just had this paste that I'm running it through. It's the cherry blossom one from Picket Fence. So yeah, it went really slow here on camera, but I hope you get an idea that I will have something in the background for my project. And I wanted to go with a pink theme. And then I will also heat emboss a sentiment to coordinate with the Hope die cut that we did. So you can see here the stamp sets. And for creating the rest of the card, I used the flat shakers pouches from Trinity, and I believe this was the A2 card layer that was 4 by 5 1/4. I believe it was, and it has this protective plastic that I was trying to share here with you. So I just ripped that away, put Trinity's adhesive around the edges, and then I kept tucking them up onto the card. So you can see here how snug that is. It's perfect for all of those sequins. The other side, and I left the top part undone because we're gonna fill this now with some sequins, and I believe this was the cotton candy confetti embellishment mix. It's really pretty. I think the color combinations in this might not be justice on the screen. It looks more purplish than it does in real life. It's more pinkish, if that makes sense. And then we have our banner here, ribbon maybe I should call it, and we have our Hope die and our coordinating sentiment. Always keep hope. And then I attached that to a standard A2 card base. So that pretty much finished off this project. It was quite fast, but with these pouches, it's super easy to create full front shakers and it's really fun. So until next time, have a great day. And by the way, all of the products will be listed down below. Bye!